Ever wondered why data cleaning holds such an important place in the process of data mining? Well, the answer is simple yet crucial. Data cleaning is the first and vital step in data mining. It's like preparing the battlefield before the war, ensuring the quality and reliability of data. But what happens if we ignore this step? Imagine you're cooking a meal with spoiled ingredients. No matter how skilled you are, your dish is bound to taste off. Similarly, unclean data can lead to incorrect data analysis results, causing a significant loss of time and resources. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. Data cleaning helps us to remove the noise and inconsistencies that are inevitable in any large dataset. It helps to make the data more understandable, more usable, and more meaningful. Remember, without data cleaning, the subsequent stages of data mining will be based on incorrect data, leading to misleading results. So, the importance of data cleaning in data mining simply cannot be overstated. So, what is data cleaning and how does it work? Imagine you're an artist preparing a canvas for a masterpiece. You wouldn't start painting on a dirty, wrinkled canvas, would you? Similarly, in the realm of data mining, data cleaning is the process of preparing your canvas or data for further analysis and interpretation. At its core, data cleaning is about identifying and correcting errors in datasets. These errors can take many forms, often lurking in the depths of your data like unwanted intruders. They can be duplicated entries like a pesky echo repeating the same information, or they might be missing data points, like hollow ghosts leaving gaps in your dataset. Inconsistencies too can plague your data, causing confusion with their lack of uniformity. Now let's walk through the steps of a typical data cleaning process. Picture yourself as a detective meticulously combing through the evidence. First, you conduct a data audit. This is where you roll up your sleeves and dive into the data, examining it closely to understand its structure, identify potential issues, and assess the overall quality. Next, you specify your workflow. This is your game plan, outlining the steps and methods you'll use to tackle the errors you've found. It's like a roadmap guiding you through the cleaning process. Then comes the execution of your workflow. This is where the rubber meets the road and you actually start cleaning the data. You might be merging data sets, dealing with missing values, or resolving inconsistencies. It's a hands-on, nitty-gritty step where your planning pays off. Finally, there's post-processing. Think of it as a final quality check, ensuring that the cleaning has been done correctly and the data is now in top-notch shape for further use. Data cleaning is a meticulous process that requires a keen eye for detail and a comprehensive understanding of the data. And just like a well-prepared canvas can lead to a stunning piece of art, clean data paves the way for insightful, reliable, and effective data mining. Let's revisit the essential points about data cleaning in data mining. We've delved deep into the matter, and now it's time to tie the loose ends together. Data cleaning, as we've learned, is not just a peripheral activity, but a central part of data mining. Why? Because it directly impacts the accuracy of your data mining results. Without it, you're navigating in the dark with a map full of errors. So, what does data cleaning involve? It's a process that identifies and corrects the inaccuracies in datasets. These inaccuracies could be as simple as a typo or as complex as a missing value. The goal is to ensure that your data is as accurate and reliable as possible before you start mining. Let's break down the process further. It starts with data auditing. Here, you're looking for any errors or irregularities in the data. This could involve statistical methods or even simple eyeballing. The key is to be thorough and meticulous. Next, we have workflow specification. In this step, you're outlining how you're going to clean the data. This could involve deciding which algorithms to use or determining how to handle missing data. It's essentially a roadmap for the cleaning process. Then comes workflow execution. This is where you roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty. You're implementing the plan you outlined in the previous step. It's all about action here. Finally, we have post-processing. After the cleaning, you need to verify the results. Did the cleaning process achieve what it set out to? If not, it's back to the drawing board. All these steps underscore one fact: Without proper data cleaning, any data analysis you do will be flawed. It's like trying to build a skyscraper on a foundation of sand. It won't work. So, whether you're a seasoned data scientist or a computer science student just starting out, remember this: data cleaning is not an afterthought. It's the bedrock upon which all your data mining efforts rest. Remember, data cleaning is the foundation of data mining. Without it, you're building on shaky ground.